Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone. Here we are, dev streaming once again. Oops. Okay, let me see. Goals today. Debug menu. I don't think I'll do a debug menu, but I will definitely do debug keybinds that, like, you know, spawn enemies or whatever. Scalable bullet modification is a huge one that we're gonna work on today. Scalable bullet modification. Here's the bullet properties that we can modify. Better AI. That means, like, you know, long range, short range, whatever else. Basic tower generation, maybe. UI stuff. That's all. You know, that's. I got some of it actually done, but I'm having a little bit of trouble understanding the UI system still. But I'm understanding it better than I did before, thanks to the video that I was sent by. Hang on 1 second. By Nathan. Excuse me. Nathan sent me a good video, and I watched it, and it was good. And yeah, so it helps me understand things. This is gonna come along. Latest, I don't know. Anyway, and maybe a little bit of polishing. I'll definitely work on some music alone tonight. That's for sure. Give me 1 second. Scalable bullet modification. That's what we want to do right now. Bullet properties: damage, speed, the angle of fire, the number of them per fire, and you know, the properties of all those. The AI of the bullet, which is currently just go straight, but homing is a thing I want to add, and the type of bullet, which means, like, you know, energy bullet or normal bullet or explosive bullet or whatever. We need to make it a little bit of an explosion entity as well. I think that will harm things. I had a little bit of trouble earlier with the bullet, where this stuff, I don't know, didn't work or something. I don't understand what happened exactly, but you know. And I did actually get some basic UI up and running. So here in this shows my health. Oh, and I also made it to where the guy runs from you if you get too close. There we go. Check that out. It pauses the game. And then it's probably like the final menu options that I'm going to want. Settings, which does nothing right now, and new game, which does nothing right now, and quit game, which does do something. And it also prints out one instance of the thing. So since the UI is still the one that's going to be processing, I made on quit button shut down, close request shut down, and then shut down prints that thing, and then it quits. I'm gonna probably turn off. Let me actually turn off automatic quitting as well. I forgot how to do that. Whoops, wrong. Handling quit requests, that's the one. Auto accept quit false, that's the one. I cannot click. I should not click Discord. The thing. Okay. Where's my music? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to fix the music in just a second. But first things first. Great. Okay, cool. Give me 1 second. Oops. Let me fix the music and close Premiere Pro that I just opened on accident. Yeah, okay. It did something weird. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Heck yes. Let me close Premiere Pro. And we are so back. I got the music all set up. Got everything here. Okay, bullet properties. I want to go into the projectile script, and I want to organize those better. Actually, shooter. That's something. Lifetime. That's. Oh yeah, that's another thing we can edit. Wrong. Gosh dang it. That's another thing we can actually edit. Just in case you want a bullet to go more than 5 seconds for some reason. Oh no, actually, that's another thing we can edit because you know we want like some of this to have a debuff. So if you increase the damage, then it will decrease the lifetime sometimes, and then you can have like a bullet that barely travels at all but does a ton of damage. Or you can get a lifetime increase with a damage decrease or something. And you basically have to find and put together the chips very well. Okay. So yeah. These are gonna be the variables that I'm gonna want to edit. Lifetime, power, what was it? Speed. I'm gonna do a speed multiplier, I think. Right? Or hold on, how does this work? Velocity. Direction times velocity. Okay, velocity is handled apparently outside the projectile thing. Great, okay, cool. So damage, speed, angle, that's also handled outside of the thing. Number for fire handled outside. AI, type, and lifetime. AI and type are the variables that I'm gonna actually need in here. Zero will be normal bullet, one will be like energy sphere or something. Then maybe there'll be an incendiary one that does like poison damage, which is to say burning damage, which some enemies are weaker to, I guess. Okay, I just realized something. I'm gonna need to, over where it's in main, isn't it? No, hold on. It's gonna be in the wizard, isn't it? Yeah, impacts and resolved impacts. The auto loads up here. Player, enemy, projectile, and then UI scripts that this will be up here. Okay, so the wizard, recent and resolved impacts. The projectile is the one that sets the recent impacts, right? Parent. Forgot what this does. Oh, okay. It basically prevents you from hitting yourself. And then type, so that it can calculate different damage types. Let's see if that breaks anything first. Okay, it doesn't break anything. I love quitting the game like that. It's so perfect. Didn't save your game L is where it prints where it would save your game. Okay, perfect. Okay. Yeah, type. That's what I wanted. And then I want the... Let's start putting in a couple of textures, actually. I want to be able to differ. Oh, here's, by the way, here's like a little mock-up I made for how I want kind of the rooms to look like. Not anywhere close to final, but it's a mock-up. I'm gonna do 8x8 textures for the bullets. And then I'll have like that. Oh yeah, I can't export it because of all my file paths. Give me a second. I'll be right there. Whoops. Wrong thing. And give me 1 second. I'll be right with you guys. I quite like that texture. Okay, alright, and back to the screen. Here, I will make a... Here's the textures folder. It's in Sprite, Bullet 0, Bullet 1, and Bullet 2. I like to make a dictionary for the different textures. 0... 1, bullet 1, and 2, bullet 2. I didn't know I could do that. That's neat. Okay, bullet 2. Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot how to change textures with code. Yeah, would you look at that? Oh, okay. Self dot texture maybe? No, texture is a texture property. Oh, load. Okay. Self dot texture. Right? No. Texture equals load. Bullet types type. Right? Oh, lowercase texture? Oh, no, because it's not a sprite. Okay. Give me a second. Yeah, sprite 2D. And then, sprite.texture equals load bullet types type, right? There it goes. We have bullets. Well, okay, it's being weird though. Oh, no, that's because it's behind this rectangle. Because the wizard is behind the rectangle. There we go. It's still, yeah. Yeah, let's just do 20. There we go. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, now let's see. Type equals 1 for the projectile. Type equals 1. Check that out. Isn't that nice? Bam, 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 bam. And type equals 2. It's basically a red recolor of the normal texture. Perfect. Now we have a visual indicator of the type of bullet it is. Okay, now I'm gonna have to do all the fire state stuff. I'm gonna have to do all of the fire state logic. So here's something. Here's the gun circuit. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make all of the fire state logic directly dependent on the gun circuit logic. So like, yeah, I don't know how to explain what I just thought then. So I'm gonna make. I don't know. Let me see. I think we're gonna want to start deciding what chips are what now. So I think what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to put the player's fire states, all 4 of them, into the. We're gonna want to put them into the main script so that they're auto loads, and then the wizard will read from the player's fire state and create the bullet based on those specifics there. Okay, so let's the if is gonna have the number in it, I think. There's gonna be like different if statement chips. Okay, now I'm thinking. There's several different ways we can go here. We could make We could make the ammo type dependent on the one of these chips. Okay, no. Oh, I have an idea. Each ammo type will have a default fire state, speed and power and etc. and lifetime. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do that. And then the bullet type dictionary will be their default fire states. Okay. So... Oh, oops. So... The type will decide the lifetime, 300, the power, 1. Actually, we'll make it 3. And then the AI type, 0. With, I think, no, I don't want the AI type, that. It'll decide what stats will it decide? Oh, the speed. So the velocity actually should be okay. Can I not store arrays inside of a dictionary? Oh. Duh. And then 1, which is the energy sphere. 3, and then velocity multiplier 1, I think. No, hold on. It's 6 currently. The velocity will be 6. Speed equals 6 by default, I guess. Lifetime equals 0. 1 and 2. Oh. Perfect. I think that should work properly. And the wizard should not do velocity. It should do direction. and then a player script. In the player script and in the enemy script, it should be wrong now. Yeah, the velocity. It's actually correct. Great, perfect. And same with the create projectile in this. There we go. 6. Now the projectile. Now, this should theoretically do the exact same thing as previously. Oh, nope. No, that's actually a... I thought it was a pretty valid index. I mean, and yeah, I thought it was a pretty valid access. I don't know about you, though. Nope, I don't know what that means. Okay. I can just replace this with this. Theoretically, that should do the exact same thing as previously, right? Nope, it does not. There we go. Okay, hold on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And if I make the bullet type 2, I mean 1. Oh, no wonder, because the bullet type was wrong. 1, 0. There we go, perfect. Now why is the velocity not changing? I don't know. Oh, yeah, I gotta... as it turns out... Oh, the velocity equals the direction, which will always be around 1. Okay, now... Right? And then instead of plus equals velocity, plus equals speed. That good? It is not good. Direction. I think these should be on ready. Or... not this one. Okay, hold on. Now that should make a motion vector, shouldn't it? There we are, we're back to normal. But now this time if I change the type to 1, it should be slow now. Yeah, there we go. I think maybe it should have more lifetime though. Definitely more lifetime. Or actually more speed, honestly. Okay. One second. I'm trying to think how I want to spawn this projectile based on a loadout. I think that's gonna have to be in the create projectile arguments. Create projectile arguments can be loadout, which is an array of arrays that or fire state would be what it would be called. An array of arrays that make up the fire state. And then the enemy would, every time an enemy spawns, it will randomize its fire state. Instead of having the 3, like, you know, position velocity or whatever, I mean the 4, instead of having these 4, not recent impacts, instead of having these, it would have create projectile with loadout instead. Well, let me see something. I like that. Okay, anyway. First of all, the default type of the projectile will be 0, actually, which should be 300-36. Okay. This is going to become obsolete very soon. The player will be able to have 4 loadouts, and hold on, where's the input event? I want to see some specific things. I want to have a concise way of saying number keys 1 through 4. MIDI-related information. Interesting. Okay. Get input event as text. No, that's not what I want. Get access, maybe? No. Gateway move. Get vector. No. I'll just brute force it. Project settings. Load at 0. Load 1. Load out 2. And load out 3. Whoops. What happened? Oh, no. You can use the number keys to switch your loadout. And I'll probably make it I'll probably make it based on UI as well. There's gonna be a UI thing at the top. If input dot is actually pressed load at 0, then their current loadout. And then bam. One. A little bit of spaghetti. Never hurt anyone. Perfect. We'll start as 0. Did that work? No. That doesn't work either. Okay. And then we're gonna need okay, here's what we're gonna need for this loadout thing. We're gonna need inputs, lists, and then outputs. Inputs, chips, and then outputs. Output will be fire bullet. Output will probably be always fire bullet, won't it? No, there's like two, like one upgrade or something that like gives you an energy shield or whatever. No, that would be like a permanent energy shield, I think. But wait, I said that somewhere before. Shield implant, I see. There will be a version of that in the gun too, I think. Which won't matter once you have that, though. Okay. Equals, let's say, input 0, it's gonna have zero. Great. That will be trigger pulled. Input will not always be trigger pulled because there will be stuff like, I don't know. And then each chip will also be an array. Quick progress update? Yep, got it. Okay, so I'm kind of learning how to do the UI stuff. Just now I made textures for the bullets. I made this pause screen. I made this screen pause you, these do nothing. This does do something, and it also prints didn't save your game L. And I made a settings UI as well that doesn't exist right now, but it looks like this. And general doesn't have anything in it, by the way. General doesn't have anything in it. The menu screen, which is, you know, this, and then this screen at the bottom corner that always shows up, that shows your health. 5. And then 2, because the bullet actually does 3 damage now. I also made the enemy run away from you if you get too close, and he doesn't shoot while he's running away from you. So you can like get right up close to his face and then hit him. Oh, so sad. We're actually doing pretty well. And also, I made this little mock-up of what I want the rooms to look like. It's just a mock-up. It's not even nearly close to the final thing, and it doesn't have any doors either. But this is kind of what I was thinking for it. Each room kind of looks like this, and then it's in a grid of rooms. And that's where you fight all the enemies, and they all, thank you, have fun with whatever you are currently doing. Oh, and I made the projectiles switchable, so you can like have projectile type 2. Or type 1 is my favorite so far, the energy sphere. And they have varying lifetimes and stuff. And speeds. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, yes. I need to figure out how all this stuff works. I think it will be input, output. Because output, because I need the ammo type. Okay. Wow, actually there's so much to do. I just realized how much stuff there actually is to do. I'm gonna have to really lock in. Okay, since nobody's really showing up anyway, I think I might just end stream and work on it all myself. Yeah. I am going to be ending the stream. I will see you guys all later. Alright, bye.